When we think about space technology, the first name that comes to mind is Elon Musk's. The world's richest person has introduced some of the most unbelievable technology in the past few years. Musk recently surprised the community of technology enthusiasts when he unveiled the newly built Raptor 3 engine. It looked like something out of a sci-fi movie. So, how powerful is SpaceX's latest addition to the modern rocket engines? Which Starship prototype will the Raptor 3 be used in? And will we see a new Raptor 3 variant soon? Watch this video until the end to find answers to all these questions and learn exciting new details about what Musk and SpaceX have in store for us. Let's begin. If you are a rocket enthusiast like us, you know that information about this latest addition to the Raptor family is not new. It's been quite a while since the news of SpaceX working on a new Raptor engine first surfaced online. However, no one knew what the final product would look like. Since August 3rd, when Elon Musk first tweeted the picture of the Raptor 3 engine, we have gone wow. The tweet read, Raptor 3 SN1, indicating that this was SpaceX's first completed new generation engine. While SpaceX is famous for producing some of the cleanest looking designs in its rockets and engines, the Raptor 3 has taken the game to the next level. A lot of people initially thought Musk had shared a 3D rendered picture of the engine instead of a real one. Soon after Musk's tweet, SpaceX's official page also confirmed the news with an image of Raptor 1, 2, and 3 placed side by side and a summary of key specs of the 3 rocket engines. The company has also released the results of different tests performed on the engine, and it only tells one thing: Raptor 3 is extremely powerful. This means Musk's space company will start mass producing the Raptor 3 as soon as it is publicly unveiled. While announcing the new addition to the Raptor family, Elon also mentioned how Raptor 3 is better than its predecessors in different areas. First and foremost, Raptor 3's induced mass is better than the Raptor 2 engine, according to the SpaceX founder. However, he also noted that there was still room for improvement in this key area. If you're wondering what's induced mass, it is the mass of all the components that support the engine except for the engine itself. Structural support, plumbing, and other ancillary systems all come under the category of induced mass. The lower the induced mass of a rocket engine, the better it is, because it allows for a greater payload capacity, improves the engine's efficiency, and frees up crucial space for fuel. SpaceX does provide the mass of different components of its rocket engines. We can calculate the induced mass of any of the Raptors 1, 2, and 3 by subtracting the engine mass from the mass of the engine, vehicle side commodities, and hardware. Raptor 1 has an induced mass of 1,548 kilograms, and Raptor 2's induced mass is 1,245 kilograms. While a lot of people expected the induced mass of Raptor 3 to be 300 to 400 kilograms less than that of Raptor 2, the final results shocked everyone. Raptor 3 comes with an induced mass of just 195 kilograms. Unbelievable, right? Because that's more than 1,000 kilograms less than that of Raptor 2, an 87% reduction. But do remember, this is the mass of additional components of the engine. It doesn't include the mass of the engine itself. One of the reasons for this massive cut in the induced mass is the absence of thermal or fire shielding in Raptor 3. When it comes to thrust, Raptor 3 is 20% more powerful than Raptor 2. It has a thrust of 280 tons, with its total mass almost halved. All these numbers are simply too impressive to wrap one's head around. Let us give you a comparison for a better understanding of the technological marvel that is Raptor 3. B4 is the engine closest to the Raptor because it also uses a staged combustion cycle with methane and oxygen, but it produces 250 tons of thrust, 30 tons less than the Raptor 3. Other popular engines don't even come close to the Raptor 3. For example, it surpasses RS-25 with 190 tons and RD-180 with 2 combustion chambers. Any other space tech company would have been more than satisfied with these results, but we are talking about Elon Musk here. He's planning a Raptor 3X engine that will deliver more than 300 tons of thrust, with a thrust-to-weight ratio exceeding 200. This means Raptor 3 generates 200 units of thrust with every unit of engine mass, which enhances the rocket's performance because it offers more power without increasing engine mass. But that doesn't even come close to Elon's ultimate goal for the thrust, which is 10,000 tons. Musk and SpaceX know that only this amount of thrust can make heavy lift and deep space exploration missions a reality. Specific impulse, or ISP, is another area where the Raptor 3 truly shows its class. The ISP is a measure of a rocket engine's efficiency expressed in seconds. It is the thrust produced per unit propellant flow rate. Raptor 3 has a specific impulse of 350 seconds, which is 3 seconds higher than that of Raptor 2 and 40 seconds higher than that of BE-4 by Blue Origin. RD-180 doesn't come close to the Raptor 3 either, as it has a specific impulse of 311 seconds, while the Raptor 3X is planned to have an ISP of up to 5 seconds more than that of Raptor 3. The difference of a mere few seconds might seem small, but even milliseconds have a huge impact on the world of rocketry. Raptor 3 is getting closer to the limits of known physics and pushes the boundaries of current propulsion technology. When it comes to rocket engines, developing materials that can withstand extremely high temperatures and pressures inside the engine is important. Optimizing the fuel oxidizer mixture and combustion process to get the maximum energy also plays a key role. Similarly, the cooling system of a rocket engine is also one of its integral parts, because managing the extreme heat without compromising performance is what defines a good rocket engine. Even the nozzle design plays a crucial role in an engine's overall efficiency, because a good design optimizes the expansion ratio and shape for maximum thrust in different atmospheric conditions. Looking at the recent statements by Elon Musk and announcements by SpaceX, we can see that Raptor 3 isn't enough. Therefore, there is an improved variant on the way, Raptor 3X, but that shouldn't take anything away from the Raptor 3 that is currently the most powerful engine in the world. So now a question arises. Exactly which of the Starship prototypes this beast will be installed on? Well, we aren't sure, but the Starship 5.2 variants that are currently under construction will likely use the Raptor 3 engine. This is because the slides released by SpaceX in April 2024 said that Starship 3 will have a booster with a thrust of up to 10,000 tons, which aligns more with what Elon Musk has revealed about the Raptor 3X. Therefore, Starship V2 is going to be the rocket we will see the Raptor 3 engine in. While the impressive numbers we discussed earlier in the video sound fascinating, the scientists at SpaceX have worked tirelessly to achieve these targets. In recent times, the Raptor engine has undergone a series of continuous improvements and iterations, showing that Elon Musk and his company are fully committed to pushing the boundaries of rocket engine technology. Each iteration has resulted in a more powerful, efficient, and sophisticated engine than ever before. The first Raptor engine, Raptor 1, was introduced in 2016, and it has served as the testing ground for SpaceX's innovative concepts ever since. One of the significant milestones in the advancement of rocket engine technology came when SpaceX conducted successful test firings of the Raptor 1. SpaceX then built on this foundation and introduced the more powerful Raptor 2 engine in 2020. This new-gen engine had a better thrust and chamber pressure than the Raptor 1, resulting in improved overall efficiency. But Raptor is the pinnacle of SpaceX's journey with the Raptor engine so far, because it boasts technology never seen before in the world of rocket engines. The announcement of the Raptor 3 is an important step forward in engine development with an improved design, performance, and capabilities. While the Raptor 1 and 2 were powerful in their own right, Raptor 3 has allowed SpaceX to achieve even higher efficiency and power. Every product that Elon Musk introduces or plans to introduce always comes with a lot of buzz. The same is the case with the future iterations of the Raptor engine. Some space tech enthusiasts are wondering if the Raptor 3 engine is a temporary replacement for Raptor 2, and also speculating about the next steps for SpaceX. While a lot of information is yet to be released by SpaceX, one can guess the Raptor 3 is a transitional engine that will allow SpaceX to gather valuable data and insights into the rocket engine technology while the company works on refining the existing engine. This means there are endless possibilities for what could come next out of the SpaceX factory. As announced by Elon Musk, we might soon see the Raptor 3X, or we might even be talking about the Raptor 4 or even Raptor 5 in the near future. What makes SpaceX different and more interesting than the other companies is its approach. The company focuses on quick iterations and continuous improvements, which means it's quite common for it to introduce intermediate versions of its engines before developing a final and fully optimized design. But the path to innovating rocket engine technology like SpaceX does come with its own unique set of challenges. The Raptor engine development has also seen setbacks and engine failures at different stages, but these were essential parts of the journey to produce the products the company ultimately released. SpaceX realizes the fact that testing a newly developed engine may sometimes end up in a failure, and that is exactly why the company has remained firm on its commitment to give the world the best rocket engine technology to date. Over the years, SpaceX has addressed different issues in the Raptor engine and introduced some innovative modifications to ensure that its rocket engines can withstand the harshest of space conditions. The scientists at the company have done extensive research and produced materials that can keep its engines protected against unfavorable conditions during space travel. Another aspect that Elon Musk and SpaceX put a lot of focus on is the simplification of engine design to make an engine more reliable and streamline the manufacturing process. That is why each Raptor engine is more refined and simplified than its predecessors. Replying to a journalist on X, Elon Musk talked about this philosophy. If we can delete and integrate enough secondary structure, small, fiddly bits, then we can locally protect rest and delete engine heat shields. While it may seem that the Raptor 3's clean look is easy to achieve, something like this requires meticulous engineering and comprehensive testing. The technology used in the Raptor 3 has brought SpaceX a step closer to realizing its vision of sending humans as far as Mars. SpaceX wants its engines and space vehicles to not just be technological marvels, but also practical tools in space travel, and the Raptor 3 signifies exactly that.